Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wealth Series. My name is Noni Nwasiki. I'm a certified public accountant and you are watching Black Pumps TV. So let's talk about small businesses, or if you are someone who is an on-demand worker, perhaps you have a Schedule C, perhaps you have a corporation, perhaps you started your business this year. What are some of the deductions that people overlook? Let's start with one of them is home office deduction. You're able to take a deduction for the space that you're using in your home. But one requirement is that you have to dedicate that place to office work. So you can't just go from your dining place to your family room, to just dedicate a space and say this is where you do your work, and that you can deduct. So part of your rent or your mortgage that's related to this space, let's say you have 1200 square footage home and you're only using about 300 of that. When you pay your rent, assuming your rent is 1200 and you're using 1/4 of your home, 1/4 of the rent you paid or your mortgage you can deduct as home office deduction. And this will also include your insurance, your utility bills, and perhaps your taxes. And if you don't have the documentation or you want to play it safe, there's a safe harbor rule which says that you can deduct up to $1,500 as home office deduction. And the way that works is that you deduct $5 per square foot, which is why I use that scenario 300, because if you're using 300 square foot and you multiply that by 5, you get to your 1,500. That's your safe harbor. So that's one deduction that you should never omit. Then there are startup expenses. If you started your business in 2016, IRS allows you to write off up to $5,000 of your startup expenses in the year you start your business. The rest of them may be subject to capitalization, so it's something that you have to talk to your accountant. So anything, the $5,000 will include amounts that you paid to create your business, or perhaps you even used it to investigate the creation or the acquisition of a trade or business. IRS allows you $5,000. So don't forget that. That's always a very good deduction in the year you start your business. Then health insurance. Your insurance premium is deductible if you are not part of your employer plan. So if you buy your own insurance, your insurance premium is deductible. And if you set up a medical plan as a small business owner, the premium you pay for your spouse and your children are equally deductible. Your dental and long-term care premiums are also deductible. Then you have retirement plans. We've talked about retirement plans so much. So now you know that your contributions to your plan can be deducted. And the earnings on the retirement plan grows tax deferred. We cannot emphasize that enough. And you have up until April 18 of this year to make your contributions. If you set up a plan as a business owner, you probably can get a tax credit of up to 50% of the first $1,000 you spent trying to create a retirement plan for your business. Then there's the automobile expenses. Everyone knows that. Make sure you're claiming that. The reason I bring that one in is sometimes people tend to just use the standard mileage. That's a safe harbor. If you know all the miles you've driven for business only, not commuting, then you can deduct that. But sometimes you can also use actual expenses if you can substantiate that, and that might be higher because that will include your depreciation, and if you spent money fixing your tires, your tool, and all that. So always weigh both and choose the one that is higher. So that's about the expenses that I think that people miss. There are other ones that you can actually go and talk to your tax accountant. They'll look at your individual circumstances and come up with a plan for you. And whatever you do, start planning for next year, this year, because that's how you get to save money. Thank you so much, and let us know if you have any questions. Email, inbox, anything. Stop me, text me, anything. I will answer your questions for you. And I hope you have a very good accountant, tax accountant. If not, let us know and we can refer you to someone. Happy tax filing season. Until next time, remain fabulous and do me a favor. Be good to yourself. Thank you so much.